Tonight, the piles of debris on curbsides all over the area remain as people try to recover from that historic flood that came through last weekend. 12 News' TJ Darsart live for us in West Allis tonight. TJ, there is urgency at this hour before any more potential rain.
Matt, this was one of the hardest hit areas last weekend. You see just how much trash is still here waiting to be picked up. Now a week later, more rain certainly only going to make matters worse as neighbors here continue to try and rebuild. The stunning images of historic flooding in southeastern Wisconsin etched in the minds of homeowners 1 week later. Before, during,
oh my God,
and after.
Damn, look at this.
It's devastating.
And now, exactly a week later, neighbors in West Allis are both cleaning and praying.
We hope that it doesn't come like it did last weekend.
That the rain this weekend stays away.
We got the water out of the basement. Now what it is we're racing against the mold.
Homeowners Saturday still rushing to clean out damaged belongings before they become hazardous and before more rain moves in. Friends, family, and even
Two total strangers here helping each other and helping a stranger out.
And this just a sliver of the aftermath from flooding last weekend. Countless personal items now completely worthless after being soaked in rainwater. Professionals on the ground warning people ahead of more potential rain.
Considering that it's already a saturated environment, the opportunity for flooding definitely exists.
As restoration crews race against the clock too.
I would keep electrical appliances and things off in basements, things like that.
While neighbors this weekend continue to look after one another.
We should get our own little zip code right in here because everybody has just banded together to help one another.
TJ, residents tonight across the area awaiting for any potential help, including from the federal government.
Governor Tony Evers requesting that aid. 12 News has learned that FEMA officials will be on the ground in neighborhoods like this, assessing that damage in the coming days.
TJ Darsart live for us in West Allis tonight. TJ, thank you.